my name's Charlie Nitcham.
I'm James Arnold.
We met during the summer and we thought about what we could build that's crazy. So here we are. Let's do it.
Follow me. Here we are. What is going on? A lot of carts. I see some tools.
We're thinking about where we could get wheels.
No shoes. What did you just say?
The 5th floor of the parking garage at Target in Rockville, Maryland.
Rockville, Maryland.
We found this.
Not that.
So,
this. We found this.
We're gonna
Oh.
get these off this crappy shopping cart.
Taking apart this cart, right? But no.
Big deal.
Oh, fist bump that.
Fist bump, dude.
Yes.
We're breaking it down to get into the car because it's a little too big for my Sebring. But got the grip. And bingo! And line up like butter.
Back on the grind. Trying to make some 45-degree angle supports, so we're gonna take these babies, take the length of that, multiply by square root of 2 for all you mathematicians out there, so we get that nice hypotenuse.
Oh, fist bump.
Oh. Alright guys, we just got the rig set up.
Yo, James, bro.
Here she is, boys.
Alright, we're gonna test it, just dry run.
Oh, that's the P side.
Oh, P side. Alright.
Yes.
Alright, James, get on there.
Ready?
Selfie ride. See if it spins and doesn't break. First test, we're using epoxy to keep it on the shaft. We might have to do a key if it's not enough. First test. It's just spinning on the shaft. All right, so we just got a keyway in. Let's get it in the camera. Oh, oh, watch out! Alright, buddy. Yeah, good. The tube. Oh! We did a CO2, and that gave us a good amount of thrust. But we were thinking, hey, what can we do to add more thrust? So I got these bad boys right here, 2 rocket engines, and we're gonna hook them up right here. We're gonna ignite them at start and see if we can get that acceleration that we want.
We have our actuator, Bluetooth controller, and Arduino. A lot of code that I just made.
Oh baby, we just need to speed it up, but that's how we're gonna turn. Alright, so we are in DC, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so we are here on the top of the parking garage. Our propellers were actually stolen 3 days ago. James and I got off and went to the bathroom real quick, and someone took our electric motors. So, with that, we have just our rocket engines and CO2.
And a watermelon. Cut the watermelon. Yes.
Yeah, so this is going to be our final test, so let's hit it, boys.